The mission of the department is to assist students and alumni in choosing careers, securing program-related work experiences, developing job search skills, and securing employment after graduation or admissions to pathway program. Wide spectrum of services offered today: career counseling, online job boards and resources, career fairs and info sessions with employers and community leaders, workshops on resume writing, LinkedIn profile use, interview techniques, networking skills, Canadian immigration Q&A sessions, co-op preparation workshops, and we provide support through the co-op term until their graduation.
You can find our students working at banks, large corporations, small and medium-sized companies and startups, hotels and resorts. The opportunities are open all across Canada. We currently collaborate with over 140 partner organizations, but we also encourage students to follow their own interests.
Today's ratio of paid and unpaid jobs is about 70-30%. But don't rush past the jobs that don't pay. These companies help you learn new skills, get experience for your resume, build your portfolio, and figure out what you like and don't like doing. They help you grow by looking over your work, giving you comments, giving you more training, and coaching you with patience. All this can be more valuable than money.
At the job fairs, we do have a good number of exhibitors who are providing permanent, full-time employment opportunities to recent TSoM graduates. This applies mostly to students who are either domestic students or international students who have an open work permit. While we would love to be able to tell you more about the companies that are willing to give students the employer-supporting opportunities, we just do not have that kind of information to share at this time. Future possibilities should be explored directly with prospective employers.
We have designed a series of workshops for you to attend to improve students' level of preparedness for the co-op term, ensuring that they are equipped with the skills necessary to enter the labor market and have the resumes ready. Some of the workshops are a mandatory prerequisite to complete before the start of the co-op term. Students are strongly encouraged to begin the search for a co-op position while still in classes, making use of the provided resources to increase the likelihood that they will have found a position by the time the co-op term begins.